Lord Megatron, do you read? Over.
Hey Starscream, is Megatron responding to our distress call?
I say again, Lord Megatron, this is Starscream aboard the Nemesis. Do you read? Over.
Maybe, Starscream, we're just not getting through right now. Shall we try again? Lord Megatron, do you read? Over. This is Demolisher.
I say again, Lord Megatron, damn it, answer the comms. Are you there? Over.
Yes, Starscream, we read you loud and clear.
Lord Megatron, I'm glad you responded. We are on the Earth's moon right now, as we speak. Over.
Well, Lord Megatron, it looks like we did get contact with them. That's a good thing.
Just to let you know, Lord Megatron, we were attacked by Lockdown and his, renegade Decepticons.
What did you say, Starscream? Lockdown, you said? Oh, shit. Shockwave, set me up with a space warp to the Nemesis base. Yes, my liege, I can do that for you. As a matter of fact, I'm setting it up now. How long will it take, Shockwave? Because I want to be over there now so I can help them out. Space warp is ready to go, Lord Megatron. Be careful and good luck. Shockwave, is there something you're not telling me? About this lockdown character? Well, regardless, if I see him, I will destroy him. Lord Megatron, about the lockdown character? He is completely evil, and I would be very careful. So, Shockwave, how long until the space warp is ready to go? Because I want to be there now. Lord Megatron, when I space warp you over there to the Nemesis ship, you'll be rendezvousing with Starscream, Demolisher, and Swindle. And Swindle, I do believe I can trust him to help us out. Well, Shockwave, let's hope so.